back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay text in front, like on top of a text on CapCut PC. Just select your text and add in your default text, and this was a request from like a commenter, so I'm not sure if this is what they wanted, but I'm just going to type in text, and I'm also going to change the font as well. I'm going to adjust the font size, and then I'm going to just easily copy and paste it, making the other text in front. I'm just going to differentiate it with another color, and I'm just going to resize it, and as you can see, it's on top of like the text. It's going to look kind of weird, so if you want it to space it out, you can go to character and space the characters out right here a little bit, but it doesn't really change much. If you want the outline to be white, you can definitely just do it here. Or like on the stroke one, but that's basically how you can layer text on top of another text, and you can keep on doing that, by the way. Like here you can add another one in a different color so I can show you guys. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!